Master the best Lime scooter riding tips for beginners. As a beginner Lime scooter rider, safety and courtesy are paramount. Key etiquette rules include always wearing a helmet, riding in designated lanes, not sidewalks, obeying all traffic laws, and parking properly in designated areas. Safety first. Wear a helmet. Helmets are essential for safety and required in many areas. Perform a pre-ride check before unlocking the scooter. Check that the brakes, throttle, and lights are working and the tires are in good condition. One rider only. Scooters are designed for one person at a time. Do not carry passengers, children, or pets. Avoid distractions and impairment. Never use a mobile device or wear headphones while riding. Do not ride under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Start slow. Practice in a quiet area to get comfortable with acceleration, braking, and balance before entering traffic. Use the in-app training mode if available. Rules of the road. Obey all traffic laws. E-scooters are vehicles and must follow all traffic signals, stop signs, and right-of-way rules just like cars and bicycles. Use designated lanes. Ride in bike lanes or on the road where the speed limit is under 50 km per hour. Stay off sidewalks. Sidewalks are for pedestrians. Riding on them can be dangerous and is often illegal. Signal your intentions. Use hand signals to indicate turns or stops to communicate with other road users. Be aware of surroundings. Stay alert and ride defensively. Assume cars and pedestrians might not see you, especially at intersections or near parked cars where doors might open unexpectedly. Adjust for conditions. Ride cautiously and at a reduced speed in crowded areas or during poor weather conditions, rain, snow. Parking etiquette. Use designated parking zones. Park in the marked scooter, bike racks or designated parking zones indicated in the Lime app. Do not block access. Never block sidewalks, building entrances, driveways, or wheelchair ramps. Ensure at least 4 feet of clear space is left on the sidewalk for pedestrian access. Park upright. Always use the kickstand to park the scooter in an upright and stable position next to the curb. Confirm your ride ended. Use the app to confirm your ride has successfully ended to avoid continued charges and ensure the scooter is available for the next user. By following these guidelines, you ensure a safer and more harmonious experience for yourself and everyone sharing public spaces.